Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you address and potentially reset the VSC OFF, VSC TRAC, traction control, and engine light indicators. Step 1. Check the gas cap. Park the vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely and turned off. Inspect the gas cap. Open the fuel door and check that the gas cap is securely tightened. Listen for a click when turning it clockwise. Look for damage. Examine the gas cap for any cracks or damage that might prevent it from sealing properly. Step 2. Inspect the vehicle. Check tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure all tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, as uneven tire pressure can trigger these lights. The recommended tire pressure is often found on a sticker inside the driver's door. Look for obvious issues. Open the hood and check for any loose or disconnected wires, especially around the engine and wheel areas. Look for any visible signs of damage or leaks. Step 3. Restart the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle. Remove the key from the ignition and wait for about 10 seconds. Restart the engine. Insert the key and start the engine to see if the lights reset. Step 4. Disconnect the battery. Tools needed. You will need a wrench to disconnect the battery terminal. Turn off the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is completely turned off. Disconnect the negative terminal. Locate the vehicle's battery and use the wrench to loosen the nut on the negative. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.